Listen, what I'm about to show you isn't taught in parking lot school books. It's the tiny, almost secret way riders turn a nervous wobble into absolute control. Imagine every tight U-turn you've ever dreaded becoming effortless. That's where we're going. Breathe in, lock that belief. Tight turns aren't luck, they're a method. I'll rewire how you think about throttle, clutch, body position, and vision, so your bike obeys like a trained animal. You'll learn the one micro-correction that fixes sideways drift, the exact speed window where the bike leans willingly, and the way your eyes must lead every inch of the turn. Practice this slowly, safely, and deliberately, but do it, because once you own this move, traffic will stop feeling like a trap and start feeling like your stage. Ready? Let's make tight U-turns automatic. The mindset reset. Before you even touch the clutch, understand this. Most riders fail U-turns not because of lack of skill, but because of fear. Fear of dropping the bike, fear of looking stupid, fear of losing control. That fear makes them tense up, and tension is poison to balance. Here's the manipulation I want you to accept right now. The motorcycle isn't against you. It wants to stay upright. The laws of physics are begging to help you. The moment you accept that the bike is not fragile, you free yourself to let it move. So from now on, every time you approach a U-turn, don't think, I might fall. Replace it with, I'm about to control this machine like it's part of my body. That mental shift alone separates amateurs from confident riders. Step 2. Mastering the Holy Trinity. Clutch, throttle. Now, let's move to the real mechanics, the Holy Trinity. If you can command these three together, the U-turn becomes child's play. Clutch. This is your fine control. Keep it at the friction zone, never fully released. Think of it as a leash that lets the bike crawl without rushing. Throttle. A steady, light throttle is your heartbeat. Do not chop it. Do not panic. Reverend. Hold it steady. That stability keeps the engine pulling, which keeps the bike balanced. Rear brake. This is your secret weapon. Light pressure on the rear brake stabilizes the bike, prevents it from lurching forward, and gives you balance at crawling speed. Now here's the manipulative truth. If you skip even one of these, you'll wobble, stall, or tip over. But if you lock them in together, suddenly, you feel like you're floating through the turn. It's addictive once you nail it. Step 3. Body position, where confidence lives. Your body decides if the turn feels tight or terrifying. Most riders lean with the bike in a slow turn. Huge mistake. That shifts your weight away from balance. Instead, you must counterbalance. Keep your upper body upright or even slightly leaning out while the bike leans under you. It feels strange at first, but it transforms stability instantly. Think of it as you telling the bike, go ahead, lean, I'll hold us up. Keep your head high, arms loose, and shoulders relaxed. This unlocks tight turns that would otherwise feel impossible. Your body is the anchor, and the motorcycle dances around it. Step 4. Eyes and vision, the invisible command. If your body is the anchor, your eyes are the captain. Wherever you look, your bike will follow. It's almost hypnotic, and yet, most riders make the deadly mistake of staring at the ground or the curb they're afraid of hitting. That guarantees failure. The manipulation here is simple. Never look where you fear, only look where you want to go. Turn your head fully toward the exit of the U-turn. Exaggerate it if you must. Your eyes are giving your brain a command, and your brain is giving the motorcycle a roadmap. Miss this step, and you'll fight the bike. Do this step, and the bike glides like it's reading your mind. Step 5. Practice the formula. Small, controlled, relentless. Now comes the part most people ignore. Practice. But here's the truth. You don't need a massive space. You don't need cones. You don't even need hours. Start with a wide U-turn, using all the rules I gave you. Slowly, reduce the radius. Make it tighter, inch by inch. Within just a few sessions, your muscle memory locks in. And here's the beauty. Once you program your body this way, it never forgets. You'll carry this skill everywhere. Traffic jams, parking lots, sharp intersections. Other riders will avoid these situations. You'll glide through them, almost showing off without even trying. And now here's the truth. Most riders will keep struggling with U-turns forever, simply because they never train their mind to control fear, their body to counterbalance, and their hands to master that holy trinity of clutch, throttle, and brake. But you, You've just been handed the exact formula. The only question is, will you actually use it, or will you go back to dreading that sharp turn at the end of the street? Think about it. If you could nail tight U-turns on command, wouldn't that change how confident you feel in every ride? Parking lots wouldn't scare you, crowded streets wouldn't stress you, and you'd feel like you finally own your motorcycle instead of just riding it. Now I want to hear from you. Be brutally honest. What's the tightest, scariest U-turn you've ever attempted? Did you drop the bike? Did you put your foot down? Or did you surprise yourself and make it through? Drop your story in the comments, because I guarantee there's another rider here who has gone through the exact same thing. And who knows, your comment might be the thing that pushes someone else to finally conquer their U-turn fear.